Tired of being stuck on a small screen? Connect the ASUS AirVision M1 and take a massive screen with you wherever you go. With AirVision M1, you're free to roam and elevate your Ally experience. Simply plug in the AirVision and it will prompt you to install the AirVision app. To open it, switch to Ally desktop mode and click the app. Within the app, you can fully customize your screen settings. By tapping the touchpad, you can pin the screen anywhere you like. Attach the exclusive clip and get ready for an uninterrupted, immersive experience. For extended gaming sessions, switch the AirVision app to light load mode to conserve Ally's battery and optimize performance. Game on with ASUS AirVision M1, your window to a bigger world.